Okay, how to add FAQ section in Blogger website, or we can use it as a question answer also, right? We are seeing the demo here, right? This is the question, what is booty? You can click it, here is the answer, right? You can click it, here is the answer. You can click it, here is the answer, right? So how can we create this kind of FAQ or Q&A type post in Blogger? Just using simple HTML and JavaScript, right? I'll show you the edit section of this one. So this is the code you need, right? Here is the full code. You can see here it starts from here and this all right here. So we need this one. And how to edit it? Just paste it in your page or post in this HTML section, HTML view, right? Just paste that code and go down, and you have to edit the question, right? So this is the question. You can edit it and you can write the answer in this section, right? This is the answer. And again, next question, you can edit like this and answer again. Next question, then answer. If you want more, then you can just copy paste, right? This section all, and you can create new questions or new FAQ questions, anything, right? So, and final result will be like this. I will place this code link in description. You can check it out. In any confusion, comment below. Thank you very much for watching.